Hi, I'm Roseanne, creator of the RISE program, which was formed to help you transform your relationship with chronic and trauma stress and emotional overwhelm. Imagine waking up with a deep connection to an authentic sense of okayness, an emotional resilience, and a steadfast presence amidst the struggles, the past shadows, and self-doubts. With each mindful step you take, you begin to feel that you are reclaiming your mind, your body, and your soul, while claiming your place in this time and place, with a strong feeling that you are coming together rather than falling apart. Carrying yourself with a caring confidence and a wiser sense of knowing of how to take care of yourself. And that as you engage with life, people, and situations, no matter how disappointing or nourishing, no matter how fulfilling or emptying, you remain connected to you, an authentic you, tethered to an inner sense of balance. This is a glimpse of a day in the life of a renewed connector. This is what you begin to embody when you complete the RISE program. A renewed connector is someone who has reclaimed their inner world, someone who has walked through the minefields of chronic and trauma stress, feeling triggered, anxious, and overruled by emotions that threaten to swallow you whole. You learn how to ride the tidal waves that once left you washed out and washed up on a shore of fear, despair, and dysregulation. You turn the tides of stress and turmoil on its head while you stay on your feet. A renewed connector is someone who has felt their body as a battleground and restored it to a temple of healing and light and hope and harmony, stepping out of the quicksand to solid ground as you restore trust in yourself first and foremost, knowing that you will be hurt and still be okay. What I painted here is a picture of what nervous system healing can help you do, taking you from disarray to inner hooray. Chronic and trauma stress will change how your body and brain perceives, interacts, and adapts to stress, triggers, and your emotions. And what I'm here to tell you is all good news, because we can teach the system how to readapt in better ways, restoring the ability and increasing our capacity to cope with what arises. We can learn how to put the brakes on the sensitive stress system that is always running behind the scenes, whether you're aware of it or not. This is a system that remembers every stressful experience from the womb to now, and a system that keeps you trapped in cycles of overwhelm, and one that can really interfere with our sense of happiness, inner joy, and connection. This is the cornerstone of the work and healing within the RISE Nervous System Restoration Program. By awakening the social engagement system through vagus nerve stimulation, we encourage the brain to rewire itself in ways that support emotional regulation, stress resilience, and overall well-beingness in ways you maybe never thought possible. When you neglect or simply don't know how to attune to and attend to and nurture your nervous system, it becomes overburdened and overwhelmed. So why wait? Start today. Start restoring health to your nervous system and reclaim your body and mind. Ask yourself 3 simple questions now. Do you know how to attune to your nervous system? Do you know when to upregulate and downregulate? Do you know that nervous system dysregulation causes emotional dysregulation, impulsive behaviors, and physical and mental ill health? I am here to provide you with resources to help you revive this system, increasing your energy, your vitality, and your inner equilibrium. I'm here to inspire your heart and mind and empower you with emotional flexibility and resilience, while exploring somatic body-brain solutions to help you restore balance. This is all done through the support of 3 pillars. First one is a little education. Second is a lot of experiential learning. And the third is an embodied form of healing. This is something that no one can do for you, but it's something that you cannot do on your own.